Hi everyone, thanks so much for being here. My name is Kat and I make houseplant videos here on Good and Planty. If you just so happen to absolutely love this video, please consider liking it, commenting, subscribing, or following me on Instagram. All of these things help me grow my channel like a plant. Okay, so today Jonah and I,
Lads.
Love Island fans, where are you? We are at IKEA because I need to get a plant shelf for my alocasia that just loves spreading spider mites everywhere. So they're getting their own space where they can get spider mites on their own time and leave all of my other precious plants alone. So that's why we're at IKEA, and I figured, you know, why not take you guys along? My analytics just tell me that you absolutely love IKEA, so here we are. I'll show you the plants there, the plant stands, the pots, all that good stuff. And Jonah, are you gonna get some IKEA ice cream?
I'm gonna get ice cream and I'm gonna get a pizza. Now hold on, before we...
Right.
We have to have a talk. Cat's analytics are telling me that almost 80% of you aren't subscribed. So that's not gonna fly. You feel me?
Oh, you're getting the boyfriend side?
Oh, you feel me?
Subscribe, helps grow my channel.
Subscribe. It helps grow my channel.
Cool. Do the baby.
Like a plant.
Okay, see you guys inside. Okay, so we have arrived at the bookshelf area, and there's a crying baby, literally. Excuse me, we're filming. So I'm gonna show you guys some of like the popular... I'm gonna show you guys some of the popular bookshelves that are turned into plant shelves. Like this one, for example. These are popular because you can put plants in here and attach grow lights up here, but the clear glass doors allow for a buildup in humidity. So a lot of planty people have been doing that because it's way prettier than an actual greenhouse. So that's one option, but there's this with like lights in it, which is cool. So this is the one that I have, but it's not like enclosed, but they are like customizable shelves, and you can attach like a grow light up here. Works well for me. This is also another classic, and this one's popular because of the glass shelving, which like lets light through. So again, it's not gonna build up humidity, but it is good for lighting and obviously storing a lot of plants. Here's some more with like the same idea, but they're a lot cuter than greenhouses, as I've been saying. I like this one, maybe in like white. I've also been liking this one. I've seen this one. Okay, and that's kind of it. And it's a little redundant, but plant shelves are cool. Look at all of these propagation boxes. Okay, so behold, this is the shelf that I currently have, and I'm just picking it up in the smaller version. So that's what we came here for. Figured I would show you guys. This is a really nice planter, and it's only $10, and it's like pretty durable. I think it's this one. So that's kind of fun. You want to do a demo? Okay, so here we have a pretty tall Dracaena. It looks good. How much is this? 40? And it's 12-inch. I like it. There's also a ton of palms here, but I'm not really excited about the palms, to be honest with you. Those are also 40. There's just a bunch of them over here too. There's a lot of prongs. I like that pattern. How much is this? Is this $13? That's pretty good. I don't know. Some snake plants. How much? Oh, $15. It's a good size. And then fiddle leaf fig. $20. They look pretty good. Oh my god, I've been wanting a bird of paradise so bad. How much? It's probably like 40. Oh my god, do I do it? Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. Tons of money plants for $20. Decent size. They look kind of happy. Oh, cute new growth. They look thirsty. Some succulents for $8, which is kind of expensive in my opinion, but some naked succulents. Some cute little wicker baskets. What's this? I think this is $6, but there's no cover inside. Oh, I like this one. I think this is $3. Oh, and then I have these. I think this size is $2.50. Ooh, minimal. This is plastic though. I think this is $4. Ooh, some nice Dracaena. Oh my god, I love that. That's so satisfying. These are... I'm gonna try to find the price without making you dizzy. $13. And they look pretty good. Some more Dracaena. I don't see a price. Oh, and some pothos. Golden pothos. Bromeliad for $6. Oh, I like this one. That's cute. A bunch of cacti for $5. Oh my god, I love the Fairy Castle cactus. Mine got like this weird rust on it, so I've been wanting another one. Oh, and I like this one. What else can I find? This Dracaena is $2, which is really good. It's small, but it's so cute. I kind of like it. And then I think that this is also $2. Pretty good. We got some kind of sad looking aloe for $5. Orchid for $20. Those are pretty. Awesome, nice little kalanchoe for $5. They're so cute. I have this pretty big bonsai for $40, which is kind of pretty, but expensive. I think it's because it comes with this really nice pot. Oh, they have little cacti packs. These are 10. They have some pretty anthurium. They don't have a price out for them, but they look really happy and healthy and they're flowering. And some $5 succulents, kind of sad looking too. Yeah, and that's kind of all the plants. Cocoa Puffs?
Cocoa Puffs. Society doesn't want me to eat these.
Okay, and then also real quick, they have all these really cute plant stands. They have this one for 20 and I think you can, oh, I thought you could take that off, but you can't. They have this one for 25, this one for 29, well 30, and then this one for 50. I really like this one. I've been eyeing this one for a long time. $50, but God, you could keep so many plants up here and store some supplies down there. I want it. Side note, this fake Kaale is also so funny. Here are some of those glass cloches that people use. So that's like an immediate humidifier builder. So they have a bunch of different picks. Like this is $5. And really you could just take a plant and plop it over said plant and you're good to go. Honestly, I should probably get one. Hi friends. So in classic cat fashion, what I went to IKEA for was completely sold out. So I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of bummed, but I'm just gonna take it for what it is and just appreciate that I have some time with Jonah outside of the house. And we got some IKEA food, of course. We got the ice cream. They added some smoothies and some sandwiches and stuff. So we got a couple items and we're just gonna have like a little IKEA eating date in the car. Yeah, I was gonna end this video with me assembling the plant stand and putting the plants on it and being like ta-da, but thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
Bye!